today is one of those flagship days where we are here at Mdu Cleaning Services, where we are celebrating Mandela Day. So this is a very significant day. If you all know that Mandela had a very soft spot for children, and I think he even created an organization that is solely focused on children. And today we have partnered up Mdu Cleaning Services, where he has organized abantwana for us and to come here and share the literacy activities that we can do. So these are kind of activities that Bob Mandela was promoting around education. So today we have came here, we have done storytelling, we have done some writing activities, we have done some cutting out of supplements where children are taking home. They are made out books from our supplement, which is a resource that we normally share with our partners, our organization that we work with. So today has been a very fabulous day for us, where this outreach has helped us because as Nal'ibali, we are a national organization, but it does not mean that we can be able to reach every child that is out there. But with the partnership that we have in our communities, like Mdu, so they helped us to reach more children that we are unable to reach or that we have not reached. So this gives us an opportunity that we can reach more children where they are, and these are opportunities that give us, these opportunities are good opportunities that help us to reach more children, because remember, our work as Nal'ibali is to create a positive experience for children through stories. So this is part of what we do to say, how do we make sure that children listen and hear stories and enjoy stories. So part of the activity in Namhlanje at this Mandela Day is to reach more children, share the resources, but most importantly, conscientize children around the importance of reading, but also reading for enjoyment. So we are happy we are here, and we are hoping that there are other structures or businesses that want to join hands with Nal'ibali. They are more than welcome to join hands with us, because we want to reach more people, more children, so that we can change the culture of reading.
Hello everyone, my name is Nomthandazongomezulu. I'm a pedagogical practitioner, and I'd like to say something brief about this beautiful event that's hosted by Mdu Cleaning Services. Alongside, we have Nal'ibali. Nal'ibali is an NPO that assists learners with storytelling and reading, and it allows learners to express themselves. This is a good initiative because they allow learners to show that they comprehend with the stories that are being read, and it allows them to express themselves using the vocabulary that they have and the vocabulary that they need. With all that is being done today, it is very good for the community at large, because as a community and South Africa as a whole, we have a challenge of having learners that cannot read, nor learners that cannot comprehend with what they're being told. So this is a good one because we had assisted learners with them comprehending and them expressing themselves, not in English, but using different languages, because Nal'ibali is one organization that allows learners to speak in any language that they are comfortable doing so. So it allows also learners to be multilingual. And with this being done, thank you very much, Nal'ibali. Thank you very much, Mdu Cleaning Services, for the opportunity and everything that you have done. Thank you.
So far here, I'm enjoying what's happening, like drawing, reading, and just knowing to get like uputka tutu, nabo tutu, and the whole family here gabo tutu.
As we celebrate this day of Mandela Day, it's critical that corporates begin to identify reading as part of what they do, because reading is a fundamental development that each and every child must experience. We cannot separate reading development to human development. They go parallel. So therefore, a reading nation is a winning nation. People become employable, people become active citizens in a country where reading is part of a daily life. So as we celebrate Mandela Day today, corporates who invite us, they have to put in more investment so that we can be able to drive this literacy agenda. This is part of what children must experience, because not telling a child a story is depriving them their basic human rights. In the Northwest, we've been running these programs all over the province, in the area of Mukhwase, at a hospice where we've been running these activities, in other areas like your Blue Morph, Ikageng, and other areas we've been running Nelson Mandela activities, driving the 67 minutes of dedication where we've been telling stories, reading aloud to children so that we can create that impact. And I think one important thing is the notion that what has been happening, we are beginning to see impact, we are beginning to see more children having interest in reading. Because when we tell stories to children, children need to know that stories come from books and stories are written by human beings just like them, which will inspire them also to write. And because they want to write, they will want to read. Then that is the whole idea of Nalibali.
I want to thank Nalibali for bringing stories and drawing papers and making it fun for us to come here.
We are excited to celebrate. Mdu Cleaning Services has offered us an opportunity to engage with children here. So when you engage with children in these communities, you are introducing a seed to them. You are sparking their potential. So when they go home, having the Nal'ibali supplement, they will ask their parents to do the cutout and keep book, but also they will ask their parents to download stories for them that they can use on a daily basis. Thank you very much. It's been a blessed 2026 Nelson Mandela Day.